Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to add Google Analytics to Wix website. So let's go to the Google Analytics first. Right here, Google Analytics, and click on the first link, Google Analytics to solution of your business. Now click on sign in Google Analytics. I have already created a Google Analytics account, so I'm gonna show you how you can do this. Right here, Google Analytics. Click on Google Analytics. Next, give the password, or if you don't want this, you can go back and write here Google Analytics. Click on the first link, click on sign into Analytics. You have to open an account in Google Analytics first. Click on start measuring. Now you have to put here a name. Now you can choose all of this and click on next. Property name, you can change the currency, you can change the time zone here. I don't need that, so click on next. You have to select one, your industry category. What industry do you have? Click on the size, small, medium, large or big. Click on next. You have to select some of this or all of this, that's up to you. Now click on create. Now click on I do accept. Here you'll find here three options. You have to click on wave. Then you have to put here your website URL. Put here without HTTPS. Okay. Put from here stream name. You can name your stream name as you want. Then click on create and continue. Now here your ID has been created. Okay, click on this, go to next. Next, here is your tag ID. You can copy this one, or you can cross this one. Click on this. Here is a measurement ID. You have to copy this one, the measurement ID. Here you can see the measurement ID. Just copy and go back to Google editor point. Go back to editor point, Google editor point. Then you'll find here marketing and SEO. Click on this marketing and SEO and choose marketing integrations. Click on go to marketing integration. Now choose the first one, Google Analytics Connect. So here you can see that upgrade your site with the premium plan to connect Google Analytics. So if you want to connect Google Analytics, you have to purchase or buy the premium version of Wix. Okay, otherwise you cannot do this. After that, you have to put this ID into that box. If you buy the premium analytics, sorry, premium weeks, then you will find a box here. This type of box you'll find here. Then you have to put that here. Okay, put that the measurement ID here. After that your Google Analytics will be connected. So this is how you can do this, guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.